Hey guys, welcome back to Faithful Keto Kitchen, where we make keto delicious. So today we're going to make an easy peasy recipe. It's going to be our vanilla mud cake, but this time we're going to make it in bulk to save you time and energy later on. Now generally you'll take like teaspoons and tablespoons of like almond flour and all the ingredients that you need to make one mud cake, but this time we're going to put it in the whole jar so that anytime you and your family want to make mug cakes, all you have to do is scoop out some of the mix and add a few ingredients. How about that? So let's get started. So you'll need a whisk, all right, of course, because you want to get those lumps out of the almond flour. You'll need some baking powder, some of my favorite sweetener, monk fruit sweetener by Keto, or you can use your favorite granulated monk fruit sweetener. Sweetener. See how I'm trying to get you to get that monk fruit sweetener, but it does taste better. I like the monk fruit sweetener because it tastes closer to all natural, real sweetener, you know. Okay, and also you'll need some almond flour, and I always get the big bag of almond flour from Costco because it's 3 pounds for a really good price. All right, so let's get started. What you're going to need is 1.5 cups of your almond flour. All right. So I thought about this recipe when I was making a few different mug cakes one day on the same day, and I'm like, because my husband loves mug cakes. Let me tell you, I mean, he'll have me make a mug cake every night. But I was coming up with this recipe. I was thinking, you know what? I'm sitting here making all these mug cakes. Like I think it was one time it was like 3 in a day. And I thought, how can I get around not having to sit there and continually scoop out a little bit of flour, or a little bit of, baking powder or salt. And I thought, why don't I just have a mix so that not only myself, make it easy for myself, but for other people who want to cook and save some shortcuts. Because, we're all about shortcuts. And we don't have time, especially when we're so busy nowadays, that we want to be able to hurry up and come home and eat and spend time with your family, So I figure, why not do this, cut us some steps, then also the kids can even go in, scoop themselves out some mix, and make their own mug cake, All right, so we're going to put 1 cup of the monk fruit sweetener, okay? Let's see. Yeah, so I was just like, yeah, this will be easy. This should be easy to make and not have to worry about continually scooping out more and more of your ingredients. Okay, so mix that together really well. I like to do steps, of course, as you guys know. I like to do the steps. So 4 teaspoons of baking powder. So this recipe makes, let's see where my teaspoon. This recipe makes 8 servings, okay? But you can easily double it, okay? And then you store it in a container, airtight container, so you want to keep it fresh. Let's see. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4 teaspoons. All right. There you go. And I like to just throw a pinch of salt in there because salt brings out the flavor of everything, and especially sweet and baked goods, so believe it or not. So let's get ourselves a pinch. All right. And we're going to mix it up really well, get all the clumps out, incorporate the flour, the salt, and the baking powder really, really well, because this is going to be a mix, so you want to make sure it's incorporated well, so when someone scoops out a portion, it's evenly distributed. So, and it'll give it a good rise when you do use it. So yeah, this recipe, guys, is just a bulk, we're going to call it a bulk vanilla mug cake, and that's mug as in a mug. They call it a mug cake because, just in case you guys don't know what a mug cake is, and sometimes I make a mistake and say mud cake. Don't know why, but there is such thing as a mud cake, but not with real mud. But in order to make, they started this mug cake thing, and you'll see it online a lot, where you just put all the ingredients in one of your favorite cups or mugs, and then just bake it in the microwave, like 60 to 70 seconds, super fast, super easy. So, and that's a way for you to get your cake in really fast. So, and if you like cake, you'll love it. So this is going to be a vanilla based one, but you can always add cocoa powder to it, a little bit of cocoa powder. You can throw in some chocolate chips with the cocoa powder and get yourself a chocolatey mug cake. You can change the extract, because that's what we're going to do. I'll show you in a little bit. Well, you can change up the extracts and put other than vanilla extract to make the vanilla mug cake. You can change it to it's a chocolate extract. There's banana extracts, etc. So yeah. So just give that a good blend. See that? Nice and smooth. So that should be well incorporated. I like to give it a taste, just to see. So all you're going to do now, like I said, this is quick and easy. All you're going to do now is get a mug, or sorry, not a mug. Clearly this is not a mug. Anyway, what you're going to do now is get yourself a glass container. I like glass. You can use plastic as well. Just glass to me is just, I'm a person that really likes glass. So get yourself a cute glass container. Write on it what it is. I'm going to put vanilla up there, but this is just saying mug cake mix. I'll see it's vanilla because it's the color. But anyway, scoop it all out. Put it inside your glass container this way. And if you guys ever made a mug cake, let me know. Comment below if you've made a mug cake before. What's your favorite flavor of a mug cake? You know, my daughter loves vanilla. She definitely loves vanilla. I'm more of a fruity person, so I like stuff like strawberry flavor. And actually on our website we have a strawberry and cream mug cake recipe. So go check that out at faithfulketo.com, same as the YouTube, and you'll love it. Trust me, it's so delicious. So you can double this recipe, because usually I do, double it and fill it up, and that way you'll have more for your family. But we're going to give this baby a try. I'll show you how to take this mug cake, okay, so we're going to give this baby a try, and I'll show you how to take this mug cake mix and make yourself a delicious vanilla mug cake. All right, so let's do that. Okay, so we have our mug mix all blended together. All right, so I took 2 tablespoons of butter and I melted that. All right, like you would do with any mug cake. All right, so we'll take a teaspoon of vanilla, because we're going to make it a vanilla mug cake, just a simple vanilla mug cake. But like I said, you can take any type of extract and change this mug cake up. So if you want it to be an almond mug cake, you can throw some slivered almonds in there and use some almond extract. You can do chocolate extract with some chocolate chips in there and cocoa powder. The sky's the limit, let me tell you, once you make this base, all right? And then we're going to use an egg, but we're going to take 3 tablespoons of that mix. It's almost like having an instant mix. Well, it is like having an instant mix at your fingertips. So get like 3 nice heaping tablespoons. I like them to be heaping, so that was 3. All right, and let me get a fork. Actually, let me get a nice big spoon and get your egg in there. Come on, baby, open up. There you go. Get your egg. I think I will start with a fork first, because I want to pierce that egg and get it mixed up. So that was super simple, guys. So once you just get it all going, like that, get it really incorporated. And that's a large egg that we use, okay? And get it really blended up. Sometimes the egg don't want to play nice and blend well. That's right. Let's try the spoon real fast. All right. It's gonna be good. It smells so good. You know, I love vanilla. And then you can top this one with some homemade whipped cream if you like. You know, you can eat it. You can put some strawberries on top, of course, if you like strawberries. You can put, and those are low glycemic fruits. Strawberries, blackberries, will really be good with our blackberry. I always talk about the blackberry jam or sauce that we have on our website, but it's so good. It is. And plus too, when you're on keto, if you're not doing fruit, Then they have the strawberries and the blackberry jam is delicious. Okay, at least I'm excited about it. All right, guys. So we mix that up really, really well. Get it from the sides, and that's pretty much it. It's really simple. So now what we're gonna do is put it in the microwave for 70 seconds, and then we're gonna take it out and taste it. All right, be right back. All right, guys, I got our mug cake out of the microwave, and it exploded. It was funny because I was watching it and it was like, whoa. So it exploded, then it went back down, but it still got that nice bounce on it. And like I said, you can top it with whipped cream. You can make this to different flavors of the mug cake. This one is vanilla, and so it looks a little caramely because I love to use a Mexican blend vanilla, which makes it taste richer. So here's what it looks like up close. See that? Really spongy. Let's try it. Let's give it a try. And you can cook it a little bit less. Like I like mine at 70 or 70 seconds. Well, actually, you can cook it a little longer to make it more dense. You can cook it less to make it more like a gooey cake. So it all depends. I like mine at 70 because it gives that a little bit of soft and fluffy gooiness. So let's give it a try. Let's see. That's really good. Okay, it tastes like a regular cake. That's why I say use the monk fruit sweetener. Sometimes I'll use stevia, but really good. And like I always say with the sweeteners that we use, like stevia, monk fruit, doesn't spike your blood sugar. Very good if you're on keto, on a ketogenic diet, because that helps you stay regulated. So, try this out. This is our mug cake mix. All right, guys, definitely give it a try. I think you'll really love it. It'll make life easier for you. And this is 8 servings, but you can always double it, okay? So give it a try. Let me know in the comments what you think. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing. Also, click that like button if you really, really liked it. And also, hit the bell so that you can get notifications every time I upload a new video. So, my name is Rosemarie Hilton. See you soon.